Because a perpendicular bisector is equidistant along its entire length from both endpoints of our segment, we can create two arcs that are equidistant from the two endpoints, and where those two arcs intersect will create our perpendicular bisector. It will always go through the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just extend my pencil past halfway. It doesn't matter how far past away, but you don't want it to be so big that your arcs are going to go off your paper. So I try to estimate about halfway and then maybe like a 1/4 inch farther. You don't want it to be so close that you don't get 2 points that you estimate the middle too well. Once you've decided on how far away you want to be, again, past halfway, we're going to mark that with an arc. You can either do one big arc like this, or you can do two smaller arcs, one above and one below. It doesn't matter. Lost my string. I'm going to remeasure that. Finish that arc. And then keeping that length the same, I'm going to want to turn it around to here, but I want my pinched part to be at that end. So I'm just going to try my best to show you without my arm being too much in the way. And create that second arc. Again, this isn't the best because a string and pencil is not the best construction tools we've got, but next thing we're going to do, we're just going to connect those two intersection marks with our ruler, and hopefully we get something that looks like a perpendicular bisector, which it's pretty close. This and this are about the same, and this is about a right angle. So again, the reason why this works is because if I were to connect this to any of these points, I should create congruent triangles. These lengths would be the same, making all 4 of these triangles the same, making these two lengths the same, making these 4 angles the same.